video, we'll be talking about turnover, its calculation, and factors that influence turnover. So turnover can be defined as the total net sales of a business organization in a given period. Then what is net sales? Net sales can be defined as excess of total sales value over returns inward of goods sold to customers. Then how do we calculate turnover? It can be calculated by using the formula cost of goods sold over average stock. Cost of goods sold over average stock will give us the rate of turnover. Then what are the factors that influences turnover? 1. The type of goods sold by a business will determine your rate of sales. Then the reputation and the goodwill of a trader. Your good reputation will determine your rate of sales, your rate of turnover. Also, terms you use in selling your commodities and goods will determine your rate of turnover. Likewise, regularity in supply of your goods. Also, the price of goods. Then, the nature of the products for sale. Also, the location of your store will determine the rate of turnover. And lastly, application of modern sales method will determine rate of turnover of any business. The next video, we'll be considering past questions from SSC and UTME examinations.